Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to activate your OnePay card using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Wallet at the bottom of your screen. Now on the Wallet section, tap on your card shown in the screen. Tap on it. Now tap on Manage Card. A menu will appear. After that, from the menu, tap on Activate Debit Card. Now enter the required details from your physical card, such as the last 4 digits of the card, the expired date, or the CVV code if asked. Make sure the information matches your card. After entering the details, tap Confirm or Activate. Wait a few seconds while OnePay processes the request. You will see a message saying your OnePay card is now activated. Once activated, you can make purchase online or in stores, withdraw cash at ATMs, or add your card to Apple Wallet if available. And that's it. You have successfully activated your OnePay card using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.